whatever we have inside here represents everything that's outside. So you start working here, you're working outside as well. But if you don't start here, you can go outside as much as you want. It's not really going to have the same impact because you're not centered here. You don't have the flow, the channel, you know. So it's very important to always start with oneself and start with love, with understanding, you know, and acceptance also, and not so much greed, you know, because I mean, we don't need so many things to be happy. As a matter of fact, we don't need anything to be happy, just the basic things. We just need a good mindset. And this concept of accumulating material objects is not, has to start changing, you know, because there's some people who can't even spend, you know, whatever they have in 1,000 lifetimes, you know, and they're still not happy and they still want to make more money. So, and then all the whole society, they sees them as like heroes, you know, as examples, you know. And for me, that's not really an example, you know, because it's, life is about sharing, you know, and we are interdependent, you know, so we are all part of the same collective. So we start with ourselves, and that's how we are able to slowly make an impact.